These Divrei Torah are in memory of my mother. Le'ilu nishmat Rachel bat Yosef Chaim Ruach Adonai tanichena began Eden. It should also serve as a zechut for the speedy recovery of my dear aunt Simcha Chatun bat Mas'uda Chai Rivka. There's a pasuk in Vayechi that says, Vayikra Yaakov el banav, Vayomer, He'asfu va'agida lechem et asher yikra etchem ba'acharit hayamim. Yaakov called for his sons and said, assemble yourselves, and I will tell you what will befall you in the end of days. Rashi explains, Yaakov understood that he was on his deathbed and he wanted to reveal certain prophecies to his children regarding when Mashiach will come. Hashem did not want Yaakov to reveal this information to his children. So at that point, the Shekhinah of Hashem, the divine presence, left Yaakov. Yaakov no longer had prophecy and he was unable to reveal this information. Once the Shekhinah left, Yaakov became very concerned. He felt that maybe one of his children went rogue. He confronted them all and asked them. And in unison they all responded, Shema Yisrael Adonai Eloheinu Adonai Echad. At that point Yaakov felt comfortable knowing that his children were righteous. He responded, Baruch Shem Kivod Malchuto Leolam Va'ed. And he realized Hashem didn't want this information revealed, so that Yaakov at that point proceeded to bless each one of his children according to their own strengths and abilities. The phrase Asher Yikra Etchem is literally translated, what will befall upon you. However, we don't have to look at this as negative. The shoresh of the word Yikra is Kuf Resh Aleph Kara, which means to call. Just because we are in a situation that we perceive as negative doesn't necessarily mean that it is that way. Nothing happens just because. Treat each and every situation that we are in life as a call from Hashem. Hashem is sending us a divine message. It is our job to hear the message and understand it. By calling for all his children at the same time and blessing them in front of each other, Yaakov recognized the unique individuality of each one of his children, knowing that each one of his children had a separate mission and purpose in life, yet each one of his children was part of a collective whole, with a common goal of service to Hashem. At that point, Yaakov blessed his children according to their God-given abilities and strengths. These unique individual blessings would empower each one of his children with the tools needed to survive and make it through this long galut, exile. Yaakov emphasized the individuality and uniqueness of each and every one of his children. While doing so publicly, this showed not to forget that they are part of a collective unit, Am Yisrael, one nation. By learning this pasuk, we can internalize that we do not need a date certain informing us of the date of our redemption. We have something more important. We have our unwavering faith and devotion to Hashem. Let's internalize the message of this pasuk and realize that whatever our status in life, whether we're a professional, whether we're a student, whether we're an employee of somebody, a laborer, skilled or unskilled, or a member of the clergy, whatever we do, our mission in life as Jews is to sanctify the name of Hashem. When the rest of the world is watching us, they should look at us and say, look at those Jews. Look how refined they are. We don't have to be identical to each other. We can agree to disagree. We just have to do it with a sense of pride, peace, harmony, and unity. Together as Jews, we can all complement each other in our way of service to Hashem. Ki ish echad belev echad. And finally, throughout our lives, Hashem is always sending us messages. Every time we are in a situation, positive or negative, it was Hashem guiding us to a certain point. We need to look at our actions. We need to look at our present and current situation to see if there's anything that we should stay and keep the same, or if there's anything we should change in order to improve ourselves. But regardless, we should live our lives with faith and devotion, knowing that everything that Hashem does for us is for our own good.